HANSONIC, a company specializing in dishwasher for green technology and a clean future. We open up the hope of a future that coexists with the environment through the power of sustainable technology. The predecessor of HANSONIC is Hanil Ultrasonic Company Limited, established in 1979. HANSONIC has accumulated long experience and technology for 42 years, until becoming the first dishwasher company in Korea. And these historical values are well recognized not only in the domestic, but also overseas markets. In addition to the dishwasher business, HANSONIC is expanding its areas to various future industries such as Green New Deal, healthcare systems, and advanced materials and component development. Product design to meet customer needs. High-quality raw materials. Raw material processing to make parts. The finished product of excellent professionals with advanced processing technology. From design to delivery of finished products, HANSONIC guarantees the best quality based on communication and cooperation between executives and employees, especially in the R&D headquarters, through continuous research and development. We are striving to develop next-generation technologies, such as an ecosystem that saves energy required for hot water supply with energy generated by recycling the heat list in the dishwashing process. Based on its advanced technology, HANSONIC has become a global company by expanding its presence to the world beyond Southeast Asia and being selected as the G-Pass. HANSONIC's product competitiveness, such as design optimized for the customer's environment and the best technology, improved working environment, and safety for manufacturing innovation, is always heading for a better tomorrow. With the introduction of the Smart Factory system, HANSONIC can check the process status, production volume, and inventory on a daily basis with the remote control function of the Smart Kiosk. In addition, we have achieved manufacturing innovation that maximizes productivity and enhances work safety through state-of-the-art automation facilities. HANSONIC realizes customer satisfaction in all aspects of productivity, quality, and function, and always provides high-quality products. HANSONIC's dishwashers, designed in consideration of various kitchen structure, offers customized models according to clean methods and specifications. In particular, the HDF and HHF series, specially designed with more than 40 years of know-how in advanced technology, have established themselves as representative models of HANSONIC with easy maintenance and excellent performance. One-stop line which provides dishwashing functions, suitable for group meals ranging from schools, companies, hotels, large hospitals, and public institutions. Creates a comfortable kitchen culture with optimal arrangement and minimal number of inputs. HANSONIC's dishwashers, designed in consideration of various kitchen structure, offer customized models according to clean methods and specification. We promise to repay our customers' trust. Create the best value by developing products with various functions. Respond to environmental changes through convergence of accumulated technologies, and lead the future industry based on a cooperation system with global companies. A global dishwasher company that realizes customer satisfaction with the quality and innovation. We are HANSONIC. Think the harmony of people and the environment.